everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. I know that I have not put out a video in a while, and I apologize for that, but I gotta tell you, I have been living a very busy life here lately. I have been so busy. Anyhow, I am at home. It is a super dark, gloomy, rainy day. My parents are coming here soon in about a week. And last year when they came, I thought, I should have decorated for Christmas because it is our Christmas / Thanksgiving together before they leave to go out of state for the winter. Lucky dogs get to go enjoy Florida sun while we sit here up to our necks in snow and ice. But hopefully we won't have too awful of a winter here. The tree, I think, is going to look a little bit differently because it's back a little bit further because I kept this table here. Because this table went where I have a piano now. And now that I have the piano there, obviously this has to be the layout on this side, which I don't mind because if you don't know, my husband is blind, so I can't have a lot of stuff in the way. You know, it has to be pushed back where his walkway that he's used to in his path is not, intercepted by anything. He can move freely without breaking anything, without getting in the way, things getting in the way. I do want to say before I start working, if you guys are looking for a good Christmas movie to watch with your friends, family, including something that you can watch with small children, the new Falling for Christmas movie on Netflix that has Lindsay Lohan in it. It also has Jack Wagner in it. Those of you that don't know who Jack Wagner is, he played Frisco on General Hospital back when I was young. And yes, some of you guys might not know who he is. He also was the Heidi on Melrose Place. So I thought I'd put that in there. If you're looking for a good Christmas movie, that one there was really good. It was a little bit on the corny side, kind of cheesy. The ending it left nothing. You knew how it was going to end, okay? It was like a Hallmark movie, but it was really good. I loved the clothes in it, and it kicked off Christmas really good. So just thought I would add that to you if you're decorating and you want to put on a good movie. If you are a Netflix person, watch Falling for Christmas. It is really good. Also, too, if you're looking for a good podcast, this has nothing to do with Christmas whatsoever, but the new Murders and Magnolias podcast is really good. I just listened to 2 episodes and I love it. So I just thought I'd put that out there for you guys if you're looking for a podcast while you work. Because I find that movies, podcast, things like that, music are really good ways of being motivated to get things done. So I can shut my mouth now. I'm going to get to work and take you guys along. Okay, let's get started with my bins. I'm opening them up and seeing what's in them. When a whole year goes by, you forget how you put your stuff away. But I was very pleased to see that I had taken the time to really put things up pretty organized. Everything was, in bags and organized for this particular tree. Now, as you can see, I put my garden gloves on to fluff this tree. And as I went down, I noticed that the cords because this is a pre-lit tree, the cords that are inside of the tree, they were coming down the front there of the tree, and I did not like the way that looked. It bothered me, so you're going to see me turn the tree around, which worked out in my favor. I'll learn how to speak here in a minute. It worked out in my favor because I fluffed the back and then I turned it around and then I was able to fluff the front. Having this type of tree is really, really easy to fluff. It's not a big full tree. Obviously, it is a flocked 6-foot pencil tree, and I absolutely love it. I bought it brand new last year from Hobby Lobby, and I have no regrets what I paid for this tree because it is probably one of the best quality trees I have ever owned. Now I am showing you my wire and ribbon that I'm going to use for the tree topper. And I'm showing you that it is the same on both sides. It makes it easier to use. Now I'm trying to show you what it says on here. The ribbon was not very expensive. I bought it at Walmart this year. I had a little bit of trouble remembering how to make a bow, but every year with my trees, I always sort of tweak the tree as days go by because I'll see an ornament that's hanging somewhere that could move up a little bit or could move over a little bit. Maybe the bow needs a little more fluffing on the right side. You know, just kind of going through day to day, trying to, kind of tweak how it looks. I'm kind of getting cut off here on the video clip of me at the top of the tree. But let me tell you, I just felt like I couldn't even get close enough to the tree to really get this going. And I was getting a little bit frustrated with it. But once I got it up there and I kind of moved the tree just a wee little bit to the side, then I was very pleased with it. I was happy with the way that it looked. Now this year, I was really fortunate to have placed all of my tree decorations for this particular tree in Ziploc bags. So I knew that those particular ornaments were specifically for this tree, and so I didn't have to pay the guessing game of what went on this tree. It took me some time to put the ornaments on and kind of place them. I do have some bigger ones, some smaller ones, and I have ones that I like more than the others, and so I like to place those more in the front because I like to look at them. I've got a couple that are sentimental to me that family has given to me, my son has given to me, and so I kind of like to put those towards the front of the tree so that I can see them. Now we're going to get the broom out and sweep up all that snow because it gets everywhere from these flocked trees. And then I'm going to put my tree skirt on, and this tree will be complete. And I am so happy with the way that it came out. I love this tree because it's not too big, it's not too small. It just seems to be just right in here in the living room. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me put my Christmas tree up today. I hope that it gave you motivation and helped you just get excited about Christmas. Thanks so much for watching.